Hey, I'm Tanya Wallace with Learning Spaces, and today I'm here with my friend Kay, and we're going to talk about Goodnight construction site. We're going to talk about some things that we learned, right, Kay?
Yes.
We're also going to talk about some new words that we learned while reading the book. First, do you remember that there were 5 trucks in Goodnight construction site?
Yes.
You do? What were they? Look at my screen.
Cement mixer.
Crane truck.
Crane truck.
That's the crane truck.
Dump truck.
Dump truck.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. That's a big one. And what's that? You know what it is?
Excavator.
Excavator. Excavator. Yes, those were the 5 trucks on Goodnight construction site. So, what was your favorite part of the book?
The dump truck.
The dump trucks? What did you like about the dump truck?
How they dump cement and dirt the back part of their.
Yeah, out of the back part of the truck. You like how they dump the cement out the back part of the truck? Now, this is a baby truck, but I can show you. This is the part that you like the most?
Yes.
That's called the bed. It has a very special name. So now we're going to go and we're going to look at some vocabulary words that we learned, okay? And I think bed is one of the words. So you want to check it out?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. First, our first word is engine. What do you think the word engine means?
It makes sure your car or something is moving.
It makes sure that the car moves. It's the motor. It's very necessary for the engine to be working, because if the engine doesn't work, the car or the truck cannot move. Does that make sense?
Yes.
All right, let's see what we got next. Oh, that is called grading. That is grade. What do you think grade means?
The ground.
The ground? Yes, it has something to do with the ground.
Oh,
but it's when they, tell me what you know.
It's how a truck makes the ground smooth.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. It's how the truck makes the ground smooth. You see these belts right here with the ridges?
Yeah.
That's used to pull the dirt front and back, or forwards and backwards until it's nice and smooth. So that's what grading is. It makes it nice and smooth. You don't want to go outside in the yard and it has a bunch of hills and dips in it, do you?
Sometimes.
Sometimes?
It would be fun.
That would be fun? Okay.
Sliding down there.
I bet you it wouldn't be fun if you had to go out there and cut that grass and probably sprain your ankle. All right. The next one is heap. Heap. Do you know what heap is?
A pile of rocks.
A pile of rocks. It could be a pile of rocks. It is a tall pile. It could be a pile of rocks, a pile of wood chips, or pebbles. It could be sand. It could be dirt. Yep. And then that is the bed. The bed. The bed of the truck. That's not a bed you sleep in, but that's the bed of the truck. That's what we talked about earlier. So what do you think the bed is now?
It dumps out cement and dirt.
It's the part of the truck that holds contents and it can dump it out. That's right, it can dump it out. And the last word we have is wheels. What are wheels?
Wheels are round things that rotates the truck. Well, moves the truck.
Round things that moves the truck or rotates. Okay, they do rotate because they go around and around and around, and they allow the truck to move. It can move the truck forward or backwards. So that's right. So you learned some new words. We talked about the 5 trucks, and you learned 5 new words. I think we did a good job with that book, don't you think?
Yes.
So I'm going to see you next time when we talk about words?
Yes.
All right, we're going to do different things with the words next time. So are you going to be ready?
Yes.
All right, I'll be waiting. Give me a high five. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.